She's a real beaut. Hey, what's up everybody? We're about to go grab lunch at Thundercloud Subs and then we're gonna work on Genard the Bus. It's a 68 bay window. So let's go have some fun. Let's do this. All right, everybody, this is Genard. It's a 68 deluxe bay window. And the plan is to pull this out and try to get it running. So let's see what we can do.
We are here. This is BW Live. Matt Jackson, Matt Martin, and me, Gary. We are working on Genard. This is a beautiful 68 deluxe bus that we picked up. And so we pulled the motor out just now. It's got dual carb setup. We're not going to real happy with that. We're going to put a stock intake system back on there, get this thing cleaned up on the top end, get it running, and get this bus on the road, man. This is a nice little Neptune Blue 68, and it's going to need a little love, but before you know it, it's going to be transformed in front of your very eyes. Hey everybody, so working on the Genard motor here and this dual port. Look at this number here. It's an M code. This is definitely a Volkswagen number, M157506. Rumor, we really are curious as to what this is. It may be like, this might be a Volkswagen dealer reinstall, a new motor. We don't know. So if you know what an M157506 is, please let us know in the comments. That's something I haven't seen before. But it's definitely stenciled on the back of the shroud here. Well, remember earlier we had some dual carburetors on here, and we didn't really want to mess with it. We were going to simplify and stock to keep this thing and get it on the road. So what we've done is we've gone to the dual port. We put a nice little 34 pick 3 carburetor on here, really nice intake. So right now what we're doing is we're just kind of getting everything bolted on, and we're going to get this thing running here in a few minutes. timing could be way off too.
There you go. Good again. Oh, stinks. Come on.
She's a real beaut.
All right, we're pretty excited. It ran the first time.
Oh, it did.
Yeah, that's great. So now we're gonna check the timing and the dwell.
Here we go. Fire in the hole. Didn't look too bad.
41.
What's our timing at though?
So what was it at?
Well, now we're gonna go ahead and pull the plugs and clean them up.
We're gonna pull the plugs. Pull the plugs, boss.
Fuel in the bowl.
Yeah, it's got enough fuel in it now. Don't do it.
All right, we cleaned up the spark plugs and we adjusted the points. So we're gonna give it another shot.
I think we didn't get any fuel last time.
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to get down that hole. Let's just pull.
Tommy can never be on a
Right,
production.
clear? Don't put Tommy's finger up there.
All right, watch this.
Tommy's every time.
Hey, this is how we become YouTubers.
Matt, Martin just turned that distributor light.
Look, I just sweat. Hey everybody, Gary here with VW Life. We've been working a few, maybe an hour or two here on this motor that we pulled out of Genard. So everything we cleaned up, we had to put a new set of points in it and a fuel pump. Looks like the old fuel pump we had, the diaphragm had dried out, so we got a new fuel pump. All we had was the alternator style. So remember this, just one of the little things, when you switch to an alternator style, the rod, the fuel pump rod's a little bit shorter on a alternator pump. So remember that. That's the one that's kind of slanted down. That's it. But everything else, we are good. I mean, we have not done anything. We did have the broken off here on the idle solenoid cut off. The little tab was broke off. So what we did is we pulled this out and just clipped it. That's a kind of a pollution control run-on device. You really don't need those very often. But other than that, we look pretty good. Let's fire it up and see what happens.
ahead.
Hey everybody, we're going to do a little bus trick if you got a little bit of issues with your nose on your bus. If you get an old football and you deflate it all the way, and you can jam it in between some of the tightness up here at the front, and as you inflate the football, it literally will help pop out the nose. So we're going to see if this does anything here. Anything?
It came out a little bit.
Yeah. It's pushing on it. Come on.
Just got up a little. Just need to get in there.
There went something.
Yeah, it came out a lot.
Which ones are good?
Yeah.
I heard it.
Keep going.
There's another one. Hey everybody, well, it's been a wonderful day here at TJKHQ working on Genard the 68. What we've done is we got the motor running, but we did not, you see it's not in because we want to get some, put on some new motor mounts. So we're going to change and put on some fresh motor mounts on it. Feeling really good about that. We did a kind of little bit electrical on there too. We're going to run some new fuel lines. So in the plans for us right now is we're going to go through the brakes and get the brakes going. And boy, this little Jewel's going to be on the road. You can tell it's got some rust issues on the floor and in the cargo area, but you know what? That's a really minor thing for everybody. So right now we are just really excited. What we're getting ready to go do now is wash up, clean up, and as we always do, we're going to go hit the catfish parlor later.